Hi, Gareth of Channel Profits here. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the dreaded email no YouTuber wants to read in the morning. Your channel has been demonetized. After all your hard work, YouTube has suddenly pulled the rug out from under your feet. But you wouldn't be the only one. There has been a string of huge channels go down recently, and they have no doubt woken up to this message in their inbox. Unlike the banking industry, on YouTube, no one is too big to fall. Yes, YouTube will move the policy goalposts sometimes, but the truth is all of these channels were operating in the grey zone. They knew what they were doing was risky. So ultimately, if you see those words, then it's your fault. That may sound harsh, but you probably took the easy option and the fast cash and didn't think long term. With the rise of faceless channels, YouTube was always going to have to make changes. That policy change was the reused and repetitious content policy. It doesn't matter if your content doesn't break copyright rules or you feel it falls in the grey area of fair usage. YouTube no longer wants reused or repetitive content. In a nutshell, they don't want the same crap being uploaded again and again. They want quality content that people want to run ads on. For that reason, I suggest you ignore any videos that mention how to make money on YouTube by copying and pasting videos. For example, this includes all of those funny compilation cat videos or TikTok montages we all love to watch so much. If they haven't already been demonetized, then they are on YouTube's radar and probably will be soon. It's not that you can't use this content, you just need to add value and repurpose it to get monetized. You need to add text, voiceovers, and generally transform the video into a new one. But even then, I would say that you could be at risk unless you really know what you are doing. YouTube wants original content only moving forward. You can still use stock videos and images, but you need to combine an original voiceover and text elements. Even robotic voices are a no-no. YouTube is also demonetizing these channels as well. Now, many creators will cry that this is so unfair. But both YouTube and Google have always protected the user experience. No one wants to see tons of the same low-quality crap on YouTube. The more YouTube protects true content creators, the longer we can all keep making money. The robots are only getting smarter. Yes, you could find other ways to monetize your channel, but do you really want to miss out on free money from ad revenue? So forget the copy and paste shortcuts, commit to producing quality content that will pay you for years to come, and not just months. It's actually never been easier to create and grow a new channel on YouTube. With that said, if you would like more free training on how to build a profitable YouTube channel, then check out the links in the description. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you're just one video away. Until next time.